Okay, so here is the fundamentals of religion diagram. Inshallah, we will learn all of these titles that we have here. We have the knowledge of Iman, we have the knowledge of rituals, we have the knowledge of livelihood, and the knowledge of zakah. Today, we will be learning the knowledge of rituals. In that, we will be learning the steps of ghusl. Okay. So, in the knowledge of rituals, the steps of ghusl, as we just took before this lesson in the knowledge of rituals, we took, right before it, but a few lessons before, we took it on ablution. In ablution, some of the steps that we learned we said some were called a pillar, which is obligatory, and some were called voluntary, which is also known as nafil. The same thing will happen in the steps of ghusl today. You'll notice those words there in the lesson. And inshallah, now we'll read the lesson. Okay. Ritual of purity. What are the steps of ghusl? 1. Intention. The intention is to hold the heart to the action. This step is pillar, obligatory. 2. Washing the palms 2 or 3 times. This step is voluntary. 3. Washing the private part. This step is voluntary. 4. Touching the wall or the floor with the hand 2 or 3 times. This step is voluntary. 5. Wudu without washing the feet. This step is voluntary. 6. Soaking the head with water. This step is voluntary. 7. Washing the entire body with water. This step is a pillar. It is obligatory. And 8. Bowing down to wash the feet. This step is voluntary. Notes. 1. Whoever makes a ghusl from impurity can pray with this ghusl, whether he intends to perform ablution or doesn't. 2. It is permissible for the woman to soak the water over her hair without loosening her braids. She has to make sure that the water reaches the hair roots. 3. It is desirable for the woman, if she had ghusl from menstruation or after childbirth bleeding, to take a piece of cotton with musk or perfume and follow with it the trace of blood. Okay. So in this lesson, you'll